In this section, we will talk about the regulation of diffusion through ion channels. Ion channels can exist in an open or closed state, and changes in a membrane's permeability to ions can occur rapidly as these channels open or close. The process of opening and closing ion channels is known as channel gating. Like the opening and closing of a gate in a fence, a single ion channel may open and close many times each second, suggesting that the channel protein fluctuates between these conformations over an extended period of time. At any given electrochemical gradient, the total number of ions that pass through a channel depends on how often the channel opens and how long it stays open. 3 factors can alter the channel protein conformations, producing changes in how long or how often a channel opens. First, the channels are close, and ion cannot pass through them. But if the binding of specific molecules to channel proteins may directly or indirectly produce either an allosteric or covalent change in the shape of the channel protein, a molecule that binds to a protein, like this is called a ligand. Such channels are therefore termed ligand-gated ion channels, and the ligands that influence them are often chemical messengers, such as those released from the ends of neurons onto target cells. The channels are closed in absence of membrane potential and cannot pass. So the second factor is that changes in the membrane potential can cause movement of certain charged regions on a channel protein, altering its shape and allow passage of ion. These are voltage-gated ion channels. Moving towards the third factor that can alter the channel protein conformations. Channels are closed in absence of physically deforming, such as stretching, so ion cannot pass, but physically deforming, such as stretching the membrane, may affect the conformation of some channel proteins. So these are mechanically gated ion channels. A single type of ion may pass through several different types of channels. For example, a membrane may contain ligand-gated potassium channels, voltage-gated potassium channels, and mechanically gated potassium channels. So this was all about this section. In our next section, we will discuss the role of diffusion in mediated transport systems.
Explore our extensive library of over 1,800 video lectures to learn about a wide range of topics. Only on sqadia.com.